was filming a reel with my new cake. I'm still trying. This is not the final result yet, but instead of using bananas, I used applesauce, and I feel like it kind of works. And once I took it out the oven, I put some soy milk on it to keep it moist. Now I'm wondering if this is in fact a good idea, or the cake will be too soggy in the bottom. The cake tres leches, they also put like 3 different types of milks on it. So now I am gonna try it out because the big cake is almost coming out of the oven. So I wanna see if in fact it makes sense. Oh, it's hot. So this is what it looks like. Smells good. I put cinnamon, I put cardamom, applesauce. This is really Christmassy. That's nice. Papa, come here.
For what?
To try my new cake. Instead of putting bananas, I put the applesauce we got.
That's like Christmas. Nice.
Quite nice, no?
Like Christmas. I will have a piece.
Quite nice.
I will have a piece, please.
What do you mean you will have a piece?
Can you bring me a piece, please?
You don't want to eat it in here? You don't want to eat it in the bowl, in the tray? And then what?
I can't eat the whole tray.
Once you are full, you don't need to keep eating. I love how my mind works. It's cold and it's winter, but we have a package. Dossier. They send us a beautiful package with our favorites, and I think I should put you on it. One of the best things that someone can tell me is that I smell good. And one thing about me, I will always smell good. And this is on God. I'm not even kidding. I love to smell good. I love also affordability, but durability as well. So if I'm not gonna get the product, if I'm gonna get something, I want it to be sustainable. I want it to be good, and I want the product to be amazing. So for me, Dossier is quite around my alley because iconic scents, designer quality, and no markups means that you're not paying for the brand, you're just paying for the quality, and that's what I love. So they sent me 3 perfumes. I already know which ones are there. So we have here floral lavender. It smells so good. It smells so good. Give me all one that I'm gonna drench myself with. Let me see which one it is. Yes, floral mushroom. I already know I would love this perfume. Oh my goodness, it's so good. Oh my goodness, let me tell you. Top notes are marshmallow, neroli, bergamot. Middle notes are orange blossom, honeysuckle, jasmine, orange, and the base notes are amber, vanilla, and musk. Let us try. Oh, I will have to put it on my skin. Mother. This is the type of perfume you wear at night. Oh my God, this is good. This is going for this will go to my gym bag because I feel like it's gonna smell really good in the gym, like, while you're exercising. And this is amber vanilla. I am a gourmand girl. This is not a lie at all. If you are here, you already know. So these are the 3 picks that I was given. This is absolutely insanity. So good. Matt is on a call, but once he's done, you guys will see. That man loves a good vanilla on me. So good. I love a good perfumer. So Dossier now is being sold in Europe. So if you have the chance, go get these perfumes. I love the 3 of them. I cannot tell you which one is my favorite because all these perfumes, I have their original bottles as well. And I just love it. It smells authentic. So good. I smell delicious. Thank you, Dossier, for my perfume. This is gonna be well cherished. For tonight's vegan dinner inspiration, I will ask you to start with some crispy tofu, cut it into cubes, season with soy sauce, some garlic, a touch of cornstarch, then pan fry it until golden. We saute our broccoli. We normally get ours frozen, and then you're gonna splash some sesame oil, adding a sprinkle of salt, some chili flakes or chili oil. You have to make this carrot salad. The recipe is on the reel, but if you need it, I can do it again. It's so simple, it's super good. Serve it all over a fluffy steamed rice, and you will have a balanced, delicious, and easy vegan dinner, perfect for any night. Thank you for watching this week's video. I adore you, and happy second week of Vlogmas.